Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we are going to get our
rear bumper from Dissent Off-Road.
Yeah.
That's right, we're super excited and we're on our way right now to the XPO Logistics Center. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the
bell for any notifications.
XPO Logistics. Alright, so here's the box. We're gonna bust this thing open. Everything is packed with this form-fitting foam in here, and it looks like it's done really well. So we're just gonna start peeling the stuff back and moving it over to this table. Looks like the first thing is, this is clearly the tray for the one swing out. Tire carrier. Foam is perfectly formed to the pieces to keep them from moving around. Alright, this is clearly one of the swing outs. The hardware is what strikes me on this. The bolt and the nut are very heavy. Some heavy duty hardware right there. And here's the second swing out. I'm not seeing any damage on any of this. Alright, looks like we have a LED work light. So these are the lights for the bumper. I don't think they're any kind of particular name brand, but they seem pretty rugged. A couple LEDs in there. Right into here. Not right up like that. And our little Dissent label. You mount that right there. It's pretty good. Not exactly sure where this goes, but it has the little Dissent fist. I love how Ben puts this emblem in a lot of different spots. Alright, here's a little piece. Here is one side of the bumper. And that is very heavy. Alright, that looks like the hitch that goes under the table. Bracket, maybe for the table as well. A few other small parts. Wiring harness. These look like struts, a few small pieces here. Tons of hardware, little bags of hardware, neatly wrapped. I'll pile all these right here. A couple more. Oh man, that is a lot of hardware right there. Nicely wrapped in a nice thick Ziploc bag, and this is cool. It's kind of like what Front Runner does. It has the name of the guy, Chad, and the things that are packed in here. Chad packed a lot of it. Tom packed a little bit of it. There was one that had no name, so hopefully that one's good. All right, that's the hitch. Man, that is heavy. Brackets look like they're for the latches on the swingouts. Gosh, everything is packed so nice. Starting to get down to some big pieces. I have a feeling some of these bumper parts are extremely heavy. One of the coolest things about this bumper is the shape of it. It's just super cool. Alright, now that is heavy. That is a beautiful, beautiful piece of steel. Oh my goodness, this thing is something. Trying to get this stuff out of here without banging things together too much. Right, that's definitely tire carrier area. Another Dissent fist. I might just be able to get all this on those two tables. The passenger side bumper. Oh man. This doesn't really fit very well. Alright, that's it. That's everything. Got everything unpacked. I'm getting super excited just looking at all this stuff. If you've seen pictures online, the welds are just so nice. Just a work of art, it really is. But just really beautiful stuff. This steel is so heavy. Here's where the swingouts mount. Like, all the powder coating's really nice. It's really going to be a nice addition to the truck. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our unboxing of our Dissent Off-Road rear bumper. This thing is amazing. Everything is super heavy duty. The powder coating is top notch. I couldn't be happier with the packing. Just a very, very great experience getting this from Ben. He met the timelines exactly as I was expecting. It did take a long time, but he was right on time. And this stuff is beautiful. So I'm super excited to get this on the rig. I want to take a moment, a special thank you to Sam at Deep South Overlander. He's been helping me out and communicating with me on this bumper. He saw my initial video where I ordered the bumper, and he had one coming in, and since then he's posted videos on his installation. He's done a really great job. It's a new channel, so if you get a chance, go check out Deep South Overlander. And if you enjoy our video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for alerts, and if you have any questions about this bumper install or anything else on our Overland rig, please just leave those in the comments below. And next time I'll see you when we're putting this thing on the Land Cruiser.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.